go back to Philippine Airlines. But unfortunately, it was also changed to 4:30. No? So 4:30 na kami nakaalis from 12:30 naging 4:30. But you know, God is good. According to Romans chapter 8 verse 28, everything is done for good to those who love Him. Ang nangyari, I met a friend, he's a mining engineer in one of the mining firm in Combal, in Moncayo, in Diwalwal. He told me that he's also going to Manila. We met in the airport. And I give him my calling card for this business, our business with a group of the mostly a corporation members are full gospel members of this fellowship. We are 7. So this Asian Nature Energy Corporation. So I told him that we are now engaged in renewable energy. So right in there, he told me he needs the services of our company because according to him, they have a big exploration in Diwalwal and near the Boston area in Davao Oriental. So they'll be asking the services of this Asian Nature Energy for this multi-million project for their hydro to utilize the hydro project, the water in their claim in the mining area. So my friend in Manila texted me na malilit, I will be late on the appointment. Sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw na lang muna magpag-usap dyan. And I told them that really God is good all the time. So to God be the glory. Good morning.